In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or delete text box in WPS Office Mobile. Text boxes are useful when you want to highlight information, add notes, or place text in a specific area of your document. However, when working on a mobile device, removing a text box can feel confusing if you are not familiar with how selection works. In this video, I will guide you through the process clearly so you can manage text boxes with confidence while editing on your phone. To begin, let us first add a text box so you can see how it behaves in WPS Office Mobile. With your document open, tap on the Insert option at the bottom or top of the screen, depending on your layout. From there, tap on Text Box. Once selected, a text box will appear on your document, allowing you to type or place text wherever you need it. This step helps you understand how text boxes are created and why they are treated differently from regular text. Now that the text box is visible, let us focus on how to remove it properly. The most important thing to remember is where you tap. If you tap inside the text box, the app will only select the text, not the text box itself. When this happens, deleting will affect the text but leave the box behind. To avoid this, carefully tap on the edges or border of the text box. This action tells the app that you want to select the entire object. After tapping the edge of the text box, tap it one more time to bring up additional options. You should now see a delete option available on the screen. Tap delete and the text box will be removed instantly from your document. This removes both the box and any text inside it, keeping your document clean and uncluttered. If the text box does not delete right away, double-check that the border is selected and not just the text. Taking an extra second to confirm the selection can save you from repeating the step. Once the text box is gone, review the surrounding content to make sure the layout still looks neat and properly aligned. By understanding how selection works in WPS Office Mobile, removing text boxes becomes quick and effortless. This simple skill can greatly improve your editing speed, especially when working on documents directly from your phone. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.